The Thunderbird's design evolved across its 11 generations, featuring variations such as coupes, convertibles, and sedans, all while maintaining its premium status. This remarkable adaptability has played a significant role in its lasting popularity. The launch of the Chevrolet Corvette in 1953 set a new standard for American sports cars, prompting Ford to introduce the Thunderbird as a competitor. This move significantly impacted the automotive market landscape. Despite its luxury positioning, the Thunderbird struck a unique balance between sporty characteristics and comfort, appealing to a diverse range of consumers. Its pricing reflected the premium features it offered. In its second generation, introduced in 1958, the Ford Thunderbird saw a substantial increase in size, allowing for a spacious four-seat configuration. This strategic change dramatically boosted sales, aligning with consumer demand for larger vehicles. The third generation, launched in 1961, featured minor technical enhancements, including a tilting steering column that improved usability and driver comfort. This innovation marked a notable first in the automotive industry, underscoring Ford's commitment to enhancing the user experience. The fourth generation, beginning in 1964, showcased a significant design evolution with its angular aesthetics, earning it the nickname Flare Birds. However, this generation faced criticism for its handling compared to competitors, illustrating the ongoing challenge of balancing comfort and performance. In 1965, the introduction of front disc brakes and sequential turn signals significantly improved the Thunderbird's safety and functionality. These enhancements became standard features in subsequent models, setting a new benchmark for safety in the industry. Facing competition from the Ford Mustang in the late 1960s, Ford repositioned the Thunderbird into a more luxurious market segment. This strategic shift aimed to retain the Thunderbird's allure amid a decline in demand. The sixth generation, which emerged in the early 1970s, experienced a size increase that coincided with declining sales, compounded by environmental concerns and the fuel crisis. This shift ultimately prompted Ford to re-evaluate the Thunderbird's design and market strategy. The 10th generation of the Ford Thunderbird, produced from 1989 to 1997, underwent various restylings and introduced modern features like dual-side airbags. This generation aimed to compete with other popular luxury models of the time. In 2002, Ford launched the 11th generation Thunderbird, featuring a retro-inspired two-seater design intended to recapture its former glory. However, it struggled with sales despite being equipped with a powerful Jaguar engine that did not fully meet performance expectations. The price of the Thunderbird saw a dramatic increase from approximately $3,000 in 1955 to over $38,000 in 2005. This price escalation reflects inflation and evolving market dynamics, highlighting the model's changing status over the decades.